Welcome to GSL GM City 1720 Boat Trail, southwestern Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-around video on the brand new 2020 GMC Acadia Denali. The Denali Acadia is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Looking at the interior of the GMC Denali here, we do have the power windows, power folding mirrors, memory seating, and power locks. Leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with forward collision warning and cruise control. We have push-button ignition, large 8-inch touchscreen with your navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto as well. Dual zone climate control. We do have our new, this is how you select your gears there as well. Wireless charging, auto stop start, parking sensors, traction control, heated and ventilated seating, your lane keep assist, and your all-wheel drive dial there as well. We got black leather interior with the white stitching, black leather seats, again white stitching, and Denali in the headrest. To get a quick look at the exterior here, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package, Michelin all-season tires on there, color matched door handles with chrome accents, keyless entry, remote start, and blind spot detection, all equipped on the vehicle. Rear tinted privacy windows as well. Coming to the rear, we got LED-C tail lamps, dual chrome exhaust tips, and parking sensors on that rear bumper. Jumping into the interior, we have a bench seat second row, 60-40 split. Both end seats are heated as well as car seat ready. We got our rear climate controls, heated seat buttons, and USB charging ports and an outlet. Dual sunroofs up here. We got one up front and a slightly larger one in the back with LED lighting, AC vents in the roof. We have our quick fold-up seats here, giving us access to the third row, 50-50 split. 2 more seats back there. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2020 GMC Acadia Denali. If this is your next luxury 7-passenger full-size SUV, come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.